Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my sanctuary where each ingredient carries a whisper of love and intention. Today, I'm finally trying out something that has been all over my feed. Guess what? Ginger shots. I know, I'm probably late to the party, but I'm so excited to see what the hype is all about. So let's get this done. Where the magic starts. Fresh ginger, a little fizz, but so healing and good for your system. Also adding carrots and a pinch of turmeric to mellow out the spice, and add lemons and oranges for that extra vitamin C kick. Add water after putting all the ingredients together in the blender and let them blend. For blending, this is the point where I get to add my pinch of turmeric. After a quick blend, I strain it for that smooth shot. those of us wondering why ginger shots, here are the reasons why. Ginger shots are known for boosting immunity, aiding digestion. It also fights and reduces inflammation, and if nothing else, they definitely wake you up naturally and dramatically. I'm using this bottle to store my extra ginger shot in the fridge because I'm yet to get ginger shots bottles. And just like that, you have your ginger shots ready. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you've tried them or if you're joining the party like me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more soulful kitchen moments. Until next time, cheers to glowing from the inside out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye.